Famously known for her role in James Bond films, Léa Seydoux has managed to acquire a net worth of $5 million. But that's not all. She is seducing Hollywood in a way that no other actress has. She is a French actress that joined Hollywood because she was one of the finest artists to display her skills so beautifully. So, how does Léa Seydoux spend her millions? And what makes her millionaire lifestyle so unique? Let's find out. Léa is known to be gorgeous and graceful on and off the screen. But do you know what makes her look extra special? It's the expensive jewelry she wears. Whenever she shops for jewelry, she always selects the most luxurious and expensive pieces. She has often been spotted wearing the most admirable diamond rings, necklaces, and earrings. Her debut at the London premiere was unforgettable. She looked stunning in the finest chapard jewelry. Rather than saving her millions, Léa Seydoux likes to spend them on expensive luxuries. More spectacular details about her lifestyle are coming next in the video. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are back with another hot topic, the millionaire lifestyle of Léa Seydoux. So make sure to watch till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. French actress Léa Seydoux is one of the most popular actresses around the globe. She began her acting career in French cinema and became extremely popular when she received her first César Award nomination. One of the reasons Léa is so admired is that she comes from the city of love, Paris. Léa Seydoux is all about fashion from head to toe. She is widely recognized and admired for being a fashion icon in the film industry. I love fashion as a way to express my femininity. I like to wear beautiful clothes. I'm at least carrying a Vuitton bag or something, Léa Seydoux said. If there is one thing you would not spot Léa Seydoux without, it is her expensive collection of jewelry. She has spent hundreds and thousands of dollars on Cartier diamond rings, which cost about $9,000 each. She also flaunts her Rolex watches. The most recent one she showed off was worth $53,000. She is said to have a massive amount of designer jewelry that the public may not even get the chance to see. Luxury fashion brands Louis Vuitton has also joined forces with Léa Seydoux due to her charismatic personality and stunning looks. I feel extremely proud at the thought of representing such a strong symbol of French elegance, an iconic brand whose initials are known all over the world. I deeply admire Nicolas Ghesquière's work, especially his newness. His inconsistent search for novelty is also highly impressive, Léa Seydoux said. For me, Léa is not a Bond girl. She's more like M or Q, just dressed in aquamarine silk, Wes Anderson said. What does Léa Seydoux love most in the world? You're about to find out next, so make sure you watch until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. When Léa was asked in an interview what life was like without work or roles in films for 2 years, she replied, "The pandemic was really tough. It made me ask questions about the world, and I watched as things fell apart. It felt like people would be more aware of the serious problems we face after it, but now it feels like nothing happened. We are back to where we were before it. I have to say, I'm a bit distressed about the world right now." Léa Seydoux said that she loves her children on top of everything she has, and she wanted to become a mother since she was a child. Now that's cute. "It's the thing I love most, spending time with my child. It's exhausting being a parent, but it's the greatest joy there is. It gave me purpose. It would have been a tragedy if I hadn't had kids. It's something I wanted even when I was a kid," Léa Seydoux said. Léa Seydoux is enjoying the best part of her life right now. She is going on vacations, spending time with her family, and we think that a hard-working actress like her deserves to have all the joys in life. "For now, I have nothing, no projects, and I don't want to work. I want to have time for myself," Léa said. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Léa Seydoux? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.